Good morning, students. Today we are discussing about the soil erosion and conservation, chapter 9. And today we will discuss about the soil and soil erosion. Soil. Children, as we all are familiar with the term soil, when we speak about the layer of the earth and the outermost layer which we can see is called the soil. Okay, and it is made up of tiny pieces of rocks and remains of dead plants and animals. First of all, we will be discussing about how soil is formed and why it is important for us. Alright, children. And when we speak about the soil erosion. When we speak about the soil erosion, erosion is the loss of soil from land. When we talk about the losses of soil from land, we mainly talk about the topsoil. Soil is about the soil. Soil is formed from weathering of rocks. The soil covering the surface of the earth has taken millions of years to form, and we must learn to respect its soil is respect. We must learn to respect the soil. Soil is formed at a rate of only 1 centimeter every 100 to 400 years, and it takes 3000 to 12,000 years to build enough soil to form productive land. This means that soil is a non-renewable resource, and once destroyed, it is gone forever. If we discharged this, a time will come when there will not be enough soil left to sustain life on earth, because the soil is necessary growth medium for plants, a home for certain insects and animals also, as well as a medium from which we get minerals such as gold. It is important, therefore, to treat soil, especially topsoil, as a living entity. Soil erosion. When raindrop hit the soil that is not protected by the covering of vegetation, and where there is no root to bind the soil, they have the impact of bullets. Soil particles and are loosened, washed down the slope of the land, and either end up in the valley or are washed away out to sea by stream and rivers. This remove the topsoil first. The rivers and the stream remove the topsoil first. Once the nutrients rich layer is gone from the outermost layer, no plants will grow in the soil again. Without soil and plants, the land become desert-like and unable to support life. So the renewal of the soil by the natural forces like rain, river or flowing water and strong winds is known as the soil erosion. So today we have discussed about the soil and soil erosion, and the next one we will discuss about the soil erosion by rainwater, soil erosion by wind, and the soil erosion by human beings. Okay, good day, students.